Hello guys, and welcome to this final module of this whole tutorial series. In this module, we would be covering some final steps we should be taking in order to start selling. So let's get started without wasting any time. So we the things which we should be setting up would be like the settings, and in settings we should be selecting the right currency over here. And if you want a help from the partner or Shopify partner, you can hire a partner from the partner directory if in case you need some development help. All right, so then you can also set the time zone over here. And then in the plans you can select the appropriate plan which depends upon your requirements. And then in billing you'll see the billing details, and you can add a payment method of your own. For example, you can add your card, etc., for the payment purposes. And then in, well, users information, we did a lot of stuff over here. In payments you need to add a proper payment gateway in order to receive payment. All right, so you'll have to activate PayPal or whatever payment method you are using. From this payment method, you can search a provider like Stripe. It should you can search a payment method or payment provider, Stripe, or whatever it is, like Apple Pay, bill payments, etc. There are different options. So let's see. uh, Depending upon your country, so you can add a payment method depending upon your country. And yeah, you can choose a manual payment method also, like cash on delivery. There are different options available which are being provided. uh, and well, you can also add Apple Wallet passes. Again, it's up to you. I don't have an Apple Wallet, so I'll not use it. So, and then the checkout, I've told you, you can customize it yourself. And customer accounts, in order to use that particular customer account, you should be using this legacy, so that you're able to utilize the customer accounts. All right, and then shipping and delivery. This is really important. This is an important step which you should be following. You should be selecting the right location. For example, I can set the pricing over here. The we can just edit zone and edit price, edit rate. What would be the custom pricing? And for example, I can put it to 300 or whatever. This is our Indian dollars, so Indian rupees, sorry. And standard order shipping, and depending upon what you need. All right, so you can set up the pricing and shipping rates from over here. And then you can also add the taxes and duties which are your country basis. So you can add taxes from over here, and collect duties and import taxes. Like, it's up to you. You can add it over here depending upon what your country provides with the taxation policies, so you can use that. And then well, these are some of the final steps which you should be doing. And the last thing would be, you can connect your domain. So you can connect to an existing domain and follow the steps from over here. It's very easy to follow. Like, if you want a domain addition tutorial, I'll be setting up a domain for one of my customers. For that, I'll create a video for the same. But it's very much like, it's pretty much simple. You can simply connect domain. You can even use this whole stuff, like Shopify provides, in order to add a domain. So you can simply search on the internet how to add a domain in Shopify, or you can simply, for example, I want to connect my website.com, and then I'll click next, and yeah, it it will go to, like, we can do it automatically or we can connect manually. So if possible, just if you are not too much familiar with how to connect the domain, ask the help of a developer, or you can just contact me for that. For minimal charges I can help you with this. All right, but yeah, different domains have different configurations, so I cannot give you a pre-planned things of how we can connect a domain. Different domains have different ways we can connect. So although they are using the same things like a record or cname, uh, we just need to use it in a proper way. So different domains have different settings. So yeah, so now you can, where to connect the domain. Once the domain is connected, your front website would always load with your domain. And if the shipping is set up, you can just simply start selling. That's it, and you're all ready to go and set to go. And yeah, everything is all set up, and you can constantly improve your website. Do check the speed of the website. uh, Ensure that the images which you are uploading are not too much big, or which affects the loading speed of the website. For example, the loading speed should be less. uh, let's see, you can see the speed of the website just by going over here and inspecting this, and then clicking on performance. And let's see, we can just see the performance over here. We can see the performance, and let's see, we can go to Lighthouse and go with the desktop view and analyze the desktop view. That is for uh, Google Chrome. I'm talking about the Google Chrome, and like it is different for Safari. You can check it for Chrome. It gives an insight, the Google Insight speed, and how it is looking. You'll see that it's uh, good in all of them except for the best practices. For that we can fix the issues, but it is generally good. And let's see the mobile view. The speed of the mobile view should also be good, and the layout is decent, pretty much decent. And like we can avoid extra spacing over here. So let's see what's the speed of the, yeah, this is good, this is good. Like if it is 73, this is very good, I would say. So yeah, it's good. And accessibility, the SEO part, all of the stuff is all good. So these are some of the, like, uh, things which we can finally check while we do a final recheck of our website. And yeah, this is some small or simple stuff which I've done in the website. And I've tried to cover up most part of how we can get better CRO with better CRO practices. The final thing which we can use is, maybe once we upload our products, we should be also assigning an alt text for this. For example, for this, if you click on this, you'll see an alt text over here. The alt text should be somewhat related to your product. That helps the search engine to get, or to read the images, and it improves your SEO. So this is the final thing I would have told you. And yeah, I believe all other stuff you might have learned a lot from these video tutorial series. And now finally you do have a full-fledged Shopify store, easy to customize and CRO friendly. And it is, you are all set to start selling. All right, and with this I complete my tutorial. I have completed my tutorial, and hope you all enjoyed and learned a lot from this tutorial series. And if you have learned a lot, please mention that in comment. And like, I would really appreciate if you would take some time to subscribe my channel. And yeah, I would yeah, that's it for this tutorial series. And yeah, I'll see you next time in any other video series. Till then, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.